Yes, guys, I'm looking super iconic now. I'm so happy. And you can do it too, right? At one point, I was 200 pounds, right? So believe in yourself, diet and exercise, and within reason. You don't want to be stressing yourself out over it. Obviously, if you're a woman, I mean, some women don't mind walking around. They can walk for hours. They're not worried about safety or anything. But in general, it can be crazy in this world, right? So be careful. Guys have to worry too sometimes, but in general, be safe, right? Very important to be safe, right? But if you're a woman or a man, even if you're a man, if you're a person and you want to be safe, you might want to use a treadmill instead, right? Or go to a gym and use a treadmill, right? And just different options. Women can go to an all-women gym. But yeah, I mean, most people are fine in general, but just to put that out there, because I walk for hours and hours, right? I'm not worried. I'm strong and fit, right? But some people might be worried, right? So just to make sure you're safe, right? But yes, guys, thank you so much. Yes, so you can walk around, do all kinds of stuff, get exercise, get out there, and don't beat yourself up over it. Even if you take months to start the program or the dieting program or exercising program or whatever, don't beat yourself up over it, right? That's not going to help, right? And you can't blame anyone but yourself if you're not working out. If you don't want to work out, don't worry, right? But if you have a goal to work out and be the fittest, the only person is you who's responsible for your exercise, right? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. All right. And yes, guys, I'm very, very fit. Can do amazing things. And some of you guys look at it like, wow, I wish I could do that, right? Some of you will be able to, right? Just allow yourself to feel like if you have the limitation that you can't do that, not saying you can't, many of you can, but if you can't do that, don't be hard on yourself, right? But yes, the people that can do that, which I don't know how many of you can, a majority of people can exercise, right? And get better shape, right? But and not everybody wants to. But if you want to lose weight and get fit, try what I do: counting calories, walking, running, and weights on occasion, right? Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye now.